In the pursuit of efficient financial management, small and medium-sized businesses often find themselves weighing various accounting software options. Among the contenders, Patriot software frequently comes up due to its reputation for being straightforward and cost-effective, particularly for payroll. But what's the actual cost of Patriot's accounting software, and what do you get for your money? As an accounting management expert, I can break down the pricing structure to help you understand if it's the right fit for your business. It's important to clarify that Patriot software offers two main categories of solutions: accounting software and payroll software. While they are designed to integrate seamlessly, they are priced as separate services. This modular approach allows businesses to choose only what they need, which can be a cost-saving advantage. Patriot accounting software, 2 core plans. Patriot's accounting software is designed for small businesses that need to track income, expenses, and manage basic financial records. Comes in 2 distinct plans. Accounting Basic. Cost: $20 per month. Features: this plan provides the fundamental tools for managing your money. It includes unlimited payments to vendors. Process as many payments to your suppliers as needed. Customer and invoice management. Create and track unlimited customers and invoices, helping you manage your accounts receivable. Expense and income tracking. Keep a clear record of all money coming in and going out of your business. Bank integration. Automatically import bank transactions, which helps with reconciliation and keeps your books up to date. 1099 creation. Generate and print 1099 and 1096 forms for your contractors. Optional e-filing is available for an additional fee. Departments. Break down your income and expenses by different departments for better insights. Payroll integration. Crucially, it integrates directly with Patriot's payroll software if you choose to use both. Unlimited users. No extra cost for adding more team members to access the accounting software. Free USA-based support. Access to customer support via phone, email, or chat. Who it's for. This plan is ideal for very small businesses, startups, or solopreneurs who need a simple, user-friendly system for basic bookkeeping, invoicing, and expense tracking without complex features. Accounting Premium. Cost: $30 per month. Features. This plan includes everything in Accounting Basic, plus a suite of additional features designed for businesses with slightly more complex accounting needs or those looking for greater automation and control. Key additions include user-based permissions. Grant specific access levels to different users, enhancing security and control over your financial data. Sub-accounts. Organize your chart of accounts with sub-accounts for more detailed financial tracking. Account reconciliation. Streamline the process of matching your bank statements with your accounting records. Estimates and proposals. Create and send professional estimates and proposals to clients, which can then be converted into invoices. Recurring invoices and payment reminders. Automate the invoicing process for repeat clients and send automated reminders for upcoming or overdue payments. This significantly improves cash flow management. Custom invoice templates. Personalize your invoices with your company logo and branding. Receipt and document management. Easily manage and attach receipts and other important financial documents. Who it's for. Accounting Premium is a good fit for growing small businesses that need more granular control over user access, more robust invoicing features, like recurring invoices, and better tools for managing financial records and estimates. Patriot Payroll Software. 2 main services. Patriot's payroll software is highly regarded for its simplicity and affordability. It also comes in 2 main service levels, with pricing dependent on the number of employees. Basic payroll. Cost: $17 per month base price, plus $4 per employee or contractor per month. Features. This plan allows you to run your own payroll with ease, but you retain the responsibility for filing and depositing your own payroll taxes. It includes unlimited payroll runs. Run payroll as often as needed without extra charges. Free 2-day direct deposit. For qualified customers, employees can receive their pay quickly. Employee portal. Employees can access their pay stubs and W-2s online. W-2s and 1099s. Generate these forms for employees and contractors. Payroll setup assistance and support. Get free help setting up your payroll and ongoing access to USA-based customer support. Workers' comp integration integrates with certain workers' compensation providers. All pay frequencies. Supports weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly pay schedules. Who it's for? Ideal for small businesses that prefer to handle their own payroll tax filings to save money, or those with very simple payroll needs who have a good understanding of tax compliance. Full service payroll. Cost: $37 per month base price, plus $4 per employee or contractor per month. Features: this is Patriot's most popular payroll option because it takes the burden of tax compliance off your shoulders. It includes everything in basic payroll, plus automated tax filings and deposits. Patriot handles the calculation, deposit, and filing of your federal, state, and local payroll taxes on your behalf. Year-end tax filings includes the filing of year-end payroll tax forms, like W-2s, 940s, 941s, at no extra charge. Tax filing accuracy guarantee. Patriot stands behind the accuracy of their tax filings. Who it's for? Highly recommended for most small businesses with employees. The added cost for full service is often a worthwhile investment to ensure compliance, avoid penalties, and free up valuable time that would otherwise be spent on complex tax calculations and submissions. Additional costs and considerations. 1099 e-filing, for accounting basic/premium or basic payroll if you're on a plan that doesn't include automated tax filing. There's a charge, e.g., $20 for the first 5 1099s, then $2 per additional 1099, to electronically file these forms through Patriot. Time and attendance add-on. $6 per month plus $2 per employee per month. This integrates with payroll to track employee hours. HR software add-on. $6 per month plus $2 per employee per month. This helps manage employee information, documents, and onboarding. Bookkeeping service, starting at $100 per month with an onboarding fee. This is an add-on to the accounting premium plan, providing hands-off day-to-day bookkeeping. Multiple state filings. For full-service payroll, an additional $12 per month for each extra state you need to file payroll taxes in. Free trial. Patriot typically offers a 30-day free trial for new users to test out the software before committing. They also often run promotions like 50% off for the first few months. No long-term contracts. Patriot operates on a monthly subscription basis, so you can cancel at any time.